Sup fuckers, World Tokay's Trader, March 15th, Friday. It's been a long week. Generally today I would say, yeah. Yeah, I was trading scared today for sure. Um, with yesterday's day being as successful as it was, with one bad trade but a win, so let's go 5 for 5, take out that bad one. Did fairly well on my account. So today I was trading scared and I missed some good setups and I took a bad one possibly. Well, I've marked it as bad, but um, yeah, I was trading a little bit nervous. So let's get into it. Overnight range up, down, large down, large down. Nowhere really to get in on this. Wasn't really sure where this downtrend was going. We hit the bottom. We had two measured moves up, two measured legs up, and I was looking for a short immediately. I probably should have waited for the lower high, but we bounced off that. It was a measured move. I thought that was a pretty good trade. It was a second entry short. So there's the low. No, was it? No, I don't even think it was a second entry short. At this point, I don't even know what it was. If I look at there's the low, first entry, second entry, new high. Yeah. That might have just been an attempt at a failed breakout and a double test. Yeah, I'm going to have to mark that as a bad trade. Yep. I don't know what I was thinking. Wow, I should have taken the lower high, that's for sure. And then there was the lower high that I should have taken. And that one took off. Then this failed second entry long, so high, first entry, second entry. It wasn't a great bar, but for a failure, it was a good bar. Probably should have taken that one. Now, mind you, the entry was a little bit far from the EMA, and there wasn't a lot of room to scalp out to the bottom here. But we didn't know it was going to go down there. So that should have been the better trade out of those three that were there. And then we start this downtrend. We eventually get the break of this channel here to that new extreme. Because we got the new extreme, I was, not really looking to go short at the bottom and just waiting. But then I see this range top holding, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple attempts, a new low, first entry, second entry short. There was room to the low. Now I didn't get to the low. Managed to scalp out. Then we created a new high, which would be a failed breakout. This probably would have been a good trade too, but again, I wasn't quite on my game today because I was trading a little bit more scared than I should have been. I was worried about the loss, honestly. I didn't want to lose any more than I had to. But even now I look at that would have been an excellent failed breakout. Right? Range is holding. It scalped, pushed up, reversed. It tried to push up again and reversed. So that was a failure, and we ended up creating a new low. Then where's another one I missed? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to take my mental game to like 0-1. Missed that. 0-2. Maybe 0-3. I marked it as a bad trade, but I don't know. Maybe it was. Oh, there was also news incoming too at 10. So maybe taking congestion. Maybe that was more of aggressive than a bad trade. But let's go 0-4. Missed that. 0-5. Missed that. 0-6. Missed that. 0-7. Yeah. So mentally a bad day. Oh my god. When I was going through this day, I didn't really think I did that badly mentally, but that's a lot of missed trades. We get two measured moves up. That one probably should have been, or at least that, but no, that was a 1, 2, 3, 4-ish point bar. But we got the measured move, pushed below the EMA. Even that lower high, or that multiple test. This turning into resistance, that would have been a really good one to take. I don't know what I think I was drawn that, but maybe I wasn't, or I got distracted. I don't know. And then we're having a little uptrend in here. The break. 2 legs, kind of messy, but 2 legs to a new high. We don't get a lower high until down here, which isn't great. Congestion, maybe that one. We are in a down day overall. Maybe thinking we're going to retest here, which I think we eventually get down that way. Yeah. And after that, I didn't take anything. I was trying to get in. I was distracted. I wasn't really paying attention. So I'm kind of glad I didn't take any trades in here because I was distracted, because I just, yeah, overall it was just a bit of a mess mentally. I'm going to figure out, well, I got the weekend. I'm not going to do any chart review tomorrow. I'll do some stuff Sunday morning for reviews. I got to do my weekly review then, so I'll do that there. But yeah, so we'll go 2-0 on the trades and 0-6 on the mental game, just because, wow. That's all I'm going to say is wow. But hopefully I can learn from some of these mistakes and just not do some, not miss trades. I got to think about why I'm fearful of that stuff. And I'll start working on some content for the psychological side. But yeah, anyway, there's today's trade review for March 15th. And enjoy St. Patrick's Day on Sunday, if that's what you do. And today's video has been brought to you by beer, because it's Friday, baby. Ciao.